Hello my alien students, welcome back. Actually I got the question number 2. I got it. I was just let's say playing the class before this class. I got that question number 2. Okay, what was question number 2? Okay, this is going to be a beautiful alien class. Okay, this class is on layers. Okay, the topic of layers in AutoCAD. Okay, this is be very helpful. Trust me, I know what I'm telling you. Okay, this is very helpful. And what is the topic? Okay, the topic is, okay, I give you the human method first and then I give you the alien method. Okay, this is what John does. Okay, so what is the human method? What's the question first and then I tell you what's the answer. Okay, the question is as follows. John, I would like, okay, just write the question if you like. John, I would like to know which all objects are on a given layer. Again, in a simpler method. Okay, let's suppose I open this layer property. John, I would like to know which all objects are on this A-AWD glazed layer. Okay, or John, I would like to know which all objects are on this A-door layer. Whatever may be the object, whatever may be the story, isn't it? John, I would like to know what all objects are on this conduit layer. Okay, so I give you two methods to do it. Okay, one I would consider the human method, which everybody does, and second method is what John does. Okay, the question is as follows. John, I would like to know what all objects are on a given layer. This is a beautiful question, isn't it? I would like to know what all objects are on a given layer. Okay. Yeah, so first I'll teach you human method and then I put some conditions on the human method, and then you would say, John, you becoming alien is better than becoming human, isn't it, in AutoCAD. Okay, coming back to the story. So what would a human do? He would do something like that. Let's suppose, okay, just give me an example, random example. Okay, let's suppose I would like to know what all objects are on conduit layer. Generally what you would do is you would just first turn it on and then right click, invert selection, and then say adios. The other layers say adios, isn't it? And then you would close this and you would search and you say, John, only these two things are on the conduit layer, isn't it? I say, okay, very good. The same story goes on the other example. Let's say, John, I would like to know which all objects are on the A-lower layers. You would first make it on, keep the current layer on, yeah, make it on, and then right click, let's say invert selection. That invert means accept that, other all, you will on it and you will off it, because one was off, and then you would close it, isn't it? You do something like this and say, John, this is the story for the drama. I said, excellent, very good, very good. Okay, this is the human method, which in my opinion 99% of my students before meeting saying hello to John, they do this, isn't it? There are some students who have been using AutoCAD before telling hello to John, and they use this. This is called this is called human method. Anyway, so what would John do? Okay, the condition as follows. Okay, John's conditions are nice. I love the conditions. I like to put on. Yeah, let's just second in select all and say on. Okay, so my question is, okay, this is my simple beautiful question. And the same question. Okay. The condition is as follows. You don't have a right to touch. Where is my beautiful pen? Just a second. Okay, I am searching for my pen. Okay, he is here. Okay, the condition is as follows. You don't have a right to touch layers properties. Okay, now what you would do is say, John, what I'll do is I would open properties palette and find the layers and then blah 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 blah. Okay, I put one more condition. You don't have because properties will come under utilities. You don't have any condition. You don't have any right to touch utilities. Okay, then this whole let's say panel, you have no right to touch. Okay, so you don't have right to touch this. So yeah, so let me if you want a better condition, you don't have right to touch anything. Okay, that's the best story. Okay, but you are able to type the command. And I don't tell layer properties, I would type and do blah blah. Okay, I'll give you my trick directly. Okay, before I give you my trick, I would like you to do something. Just take, let's say, pause this video or pause this class if you're listening, or if you are pause this class and think what you would do. Okay, simply don't, I would always love to have this kind of trailer than a movie, isn't it? So first you need to use your brains, isn't it? Simply, John would give you the trick, and then it's like, isn't it? It's like, in my opinion, not a very good way of teaching, isn't it? First, I would like the student to think. So what I would like you to do is just pause this video, think, try around, play around. The conditions are tight, I agree, isn't it? You don't have options to open the layer properties palette manager, and you don't have right to open the properties palette, isn't it? Okay. If you've paused now, we'll come back. So now what we will do is, I tell you one alien command. Okay, this is called an alien command. It's called a Laywalk. Okay, it's the Laywalk. I'll be typing it on top on my mouse. It's called L-A-Y, Laywalk. Not moonwalk, Laywalk. Okay, Laywalk. Type the command. Then what you do is, now for example, you say, John, I would like to know objects or which all objects are on, let's say, A dash door. Just click this. John, I would like to know this. Okay, you get the picture. Okay, I'm just scrolling my wheel. Okay, so you get the picture, isn't it? Okay, if you like multiple, you can press shift key and you get the picture, isn't it? Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed this small kind of trick on Laywalk. It's a very beautiful, this is what John would do. Actually, this generally this will help you find errors, in the sense, if for example some object was on the wrong layer, then you would say, how come this is in this layer? Okay, so anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful alienish class. If you love this class, just what do? Hit the like button. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed today's class. We see each other in the next class, fresh, energized, and I think that's it for today. And I think that's it. Take care, and I think that's it. Bye.